230 feet, 240. Yeah, that's good. No one will notice it.
Mm-mm.
There it goes. God, I hope it comes back. I don't know where Jeff and Beth's house is. I have to remember to look at the map.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's Anthony. No.
Oh, that's the Christmas tree house. So you need to go this way. The house that puts all the lights up. Yeah. So they're like right. Oh, wait a second.
I'm gonna head for my parents.
Okay.
See how far I can go without. As long as you don't lose connection. Okay, I'm going over Cleveland.
Yep.
Holy shit. Distance 3,000 feet.
So is that Washington that you're coming up on?
I think it is.
Flight distance detected. Always maintain a visual line of sight unless otherwise authorized.
Okay, I think this is Washington, and we're gonna go right up Vineland.
Okay.
Maybe. Unless there's not a church. Yep, there's the church.
Oh, yep. So you can figure out from there, because you used to walk from your house, right?
Yep.
To the church through the field.
Go right over the ravine.
Do you want me to hit the X on that red thing?
No,
No?
it's okay. Okay, there's the trails. We'll walk on. Oh God, I was so close to their house too.
Huh. I thought it was supposed to go that far.
Oh, I think it's connected. It's coming back. Well, I think it's supposed to go that far in wide open spaces with the houses and stuff in the way. I don't know.
Like a needle in a haystack. It just fell out of the sky.
Cancel return to home? No, I'm gonna let it.
Yeah, come on home.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Now this will be an interesting recording, and then I'll put in a new battery and charge this one, and then try to capture a train. Oh, that was scary. Oh, it's still 1,500 feet away.
Yeah.
Height 315 feet. Can I make it go up higher? Yep. Okay, it's about 800 feet away. We'll probably see it soon.
hear it.
Oh, there it is.
Wait. Oh. What's it doing? It's lined up.
Bringing it down.
You're so close.
I was like, actually in the neighborhood. Well, let's see.
Here's it too. I'm like Hammy. Says obstacle. Sees your car. Gosh. Oh my gosh.